Manazino. Nero Marshall say Manazino. No go low, no go low. Don't put your down low, don't put them out of your man Joseph Flow, you should know. Well, me I touch two topic in the day, yeah. And the topic that we I touch is how them kill the young youth, 16-year-old. And the next topic is how some people have put them bedroom thing on video and all them thing there. So what I say? So you what I say now? And the next topic, three topic. The next topic is about this dog thing we are going in Jamaica. Where them a talk about say boy a dog farming a go and eating a dog and all them something there. And a Jamaican style that. Jamaica no in that. I went there, one American asked me say, like Mark me say, if Jamaican eat dog. I say, no, I don't know about that. I don't know about that. Because me know that when me there Jamaica, during my time in Jamaica, almost 50 years. Every shop me go, every meat shop me go, you never see dog meat up on the list. Say that is for sale. And anytime you ever hear about, anytime Jamaica never find out say boy, anyone a sell them dog, them boy cat this or that place, they go there, burn down or that man, they go there for a runway. Remember in the 80s when Winners and Chin used to go on and I look how soup man used to do their Chin where I sell some soup and thing and wipe a crowd, the man we sell off and little after that a year say couple either a year or so after that you hear say boy one day a skate land and I see where the people used to bomb rush him soup and thing and them here say them find out say boy dark skull and all them something and whisper him look about the food and look about the soup and all them way there. See? And it be a big talk during them time about dark soup. But I know say them they do I say boy the two of them link up, the one with their chin and the one with their up there. So but me not believe in that. So what I say. But when it come to the dog thing, now man on a Jamaican thing that. Jamaican not in that. No dog meat thing. So when me I see it on YouTube out, them a show you this dog farmer be a dog maker back in a something like cage and go fall cub and them something them know say Jamaica have. Fall cub, big fall farm. And them thing them know say Jamaica have. Me don't know about no dog farm, where them thing a come from, and where them thing a pop up from. I want go on a Miracle Island. Any spot them thing they are go on them for just get rid of them thing then no. Because we don't support the dog thing. Not dog meat, but what you talk about? We ain't in that. Them thing they are feeding Asia. Dog meat. Remember one time when we there Jamaica, me say boy, one ship come down a Greenwich farm and a beer mongrel dog people are bring go give them and one and them and must say I get all money in return for them thing then. Them sail out with all one heap of dog and hundreds of dog, thousands of dog. But fair year say boy, American ask me, say boy, if we eat dog in our country, I say, no man, I don't know about that man. Anyone where publicly make that them go that person there for go run where. Or make establish a mental for go lock down. And a Jamaican style that. No dog thing to a thing. No, sir. And the next topic we may touch again. I see a news the other day, a couple of days ago, they killed a little 16-year-old youth. Shoot him and him father. I look at the video this man, him father. Grieve. When me and him father attack, you know, feel it for the eye, for the man and him stepmother. The man I explain how the youth youth no in a no gang affiliation, and the youth go out with him and go hustle him work him money and buy up him clothes them and thing, cause most of that him money spent on, cause him not really bother think about food, cause father don't prepare that and mother. So you hear what me I say now? It's not no big man kill like a youth there, no. A youth when I have same age bracket kill a youth there. Some bad mind thing. Let me tell you that. Some youth where have all him gun and him not look like all the youth, or the youth look expensive or just and I look him all that things say boy that youth they go to get all the nicest girl in the area when I him should not get, and one bag of bad mind conspiracy thing in him head. And him not brave enough to even take all, even though I not boats all them thing now, I not worship them and tell the youth for go do them thing, they for rob on. But them not the guts to do them thing they neither. Zane. But me I tell you the truth, say. Me just tell you, say, I'm not a big man. My opinion that is not no big man. Kill a little youth there. A youth when I'm same age bracket. When I like see how him move expensive and ambitious. You understand? And we are the nicest of things, and yeah man, bad mind is a thing where in the young youth them. Cause we spend me live one at a time on my road. We in the days, remember one little youth where a man named Shorty have a son and thing, and little after that me say them kill the son over one cemetery and all. Me know say within my me not see what go up, me not see with my eye, but my mind I click and tell me say it's a youth like himself do that, you know. Bad mind him, how him dress nice and all them something there. Yeah man. Definitely man. Me can pay you and give you change. Say it's a young youth like himself do that. We bad mind him. So him can't look like him, can't dress like him, can't find the amount of garments. I'm ambitious like the youth. You see what I say? Definitely. That is my opinion. And me know say it goes so. Just wait until them investigate and find what I want to see for yourself. Say, me not wrong. Young youth like himself. Well, the next topic me I going to touch upon again now is some Nyama. Some man where I me say, no go low. Don't put your down low. Don't put them out of you man Joseph floor. You should know. I me say, diggy. Mouth must use car, tongue can't dig it. I want to some man with them mouth and them tongue come like when them say the girl them wide open, them mouth run water star. And them and them have a thing with this camera thing. Make one wine on a bedroom private, no man even do me not really I big up them act there. But when you not put the thing on video and all them thing there, liable for expose public to the public. And when the public get it, me not wrong them for establish it to make it go viral too. Because you know dumb. When you come like some dumb gunman we stay stand and pose up with be a gun and police are investigate them hard and catch up on them and find them and go lock them up or kill them or something. I want to know, man. One day in the bedroom, make it stay in the bedroom. And that's enough for know. On a video on yourself and I not wrong the people them for once them get the clippings, them just let it go. Make everybody see it. I not wrong them. And me say, no go low. Don't put your head down low. Don't put your mouth on human juice flow. You should know. Yeah, man, use your peg. Don't put your head between the leg. Yeah. Use up your third leg. Manazino. Manazino. Nero Marshall said manazino. No unruly thing around here. Straight manners. Manazino. Yeah, man. Them say mariners carry out far away, but even though you have to have money to take the plane and get visa and all them something there. Money. But manners take you out far away, so everything you do does make sure you say you have the car. Manners, you know? Yeah, man. Well, that are them three topics that I touch in a day, you know. Yeah, man. I me say, for real. When I bet say anytime the investigation come through with a 16-year-old youth there. Youth, young, you know, young little youth. Not live no life yet. See? Peace not even burn grass yet. And look up bad mind them. He was on kill a youth. I can bet say it's not a big man kill a little youth there. Yeah. Well, like that, you know. Give praise and give thanks to the Most High for being alive. Bless up my families, them. Yeah. Yeah, man. Just like up that one and give it a little subscribe. And click notification, same speed, set speed. That's what I say. Manazino out.